Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix this error on ChatGPT. This phone number is already linked to maximum numbers of accounts. So this will happen if you are making use of one phone number into multiple accounts. So if this happening to you, then you should refrain from using that particular number. So this fix will get over this. So I'll teach you guys how you can fix this. Okay, so the thing to do, guys, is there are two ways. So first thing to do is go over to free SMS, uh, free virtual SMS website. So this is a free virtual number, cell phone number. So you can use this to sign up to ChatGPT without any issues. So for example, you want to use this. So all you have to do is copy the cell phone number and paste it here and choose the appropriate country for this one. This is US. So make sure the country is US and just paste it here. So once you send the code, you will receive that code right here. You just have to copy and paste that and make sure to update the messages once so it can be refreshed. And there guys, so the next thing to do, if you don't want that, then you can go over to help.openai.com and you can go ahead and chat with their live support here. So all you have to do is access this one here, so send us a message and you just have to go over and choose ChatGPT, and then you can now freely chat with them right here. So all you have to do, explore this guys. You just have to go over and the voice conversations here, and you just have to explore it really like that, and you just have to write a reply here, and that should uh, make use of this live chat support. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.